Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you my kitchen remodel. Here you have it. I showed you previous pictures of what's going on with the leak from upstairs in my bathroom. So here are some of the photos I'm showing you. I couldn't show you the video for some reason. It would not process on here, so I'm just going to show you some pictures and how we're going to get started with this kitchen remakeover. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We're so excited that you are joining the family as well. You guys, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so every time I upload an amazing video, you'll get an alert. And here we have is prepping time for the kitchen. So we had to, put all the plastic up to protect all the appliances and everything else that needs to be done in here. So I may not do too much talking, but you guys can see how it's gonna flow, and we're so excited to get started with this kitchen remakeover. So what you're looking here now underneath my kitchen sink is a total disaster. So basically I took everything out here. I'm gonna go down here and clean this area because this is one area that we don't touch too often, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna clean it up. I am gonna get this fixed behind here because the wall been open for a long time. So we're gonna try to get that fixed today. With everything here, so just keep watching, and I hope you guys are still enjoying this video so far. Okay, just a quick clean up the underneath here, because I think we're going to replace all this. So I just want to get some of the dirt and the grind and everything that was left under there. You know how the products leaks under the sink, and you just really don't pay it too much of a mind sometimes. So we're gonna get back there and finish cleaning all this up. Okay guys, it is finally done with the painting. They did an amazing job with what time they had to do, but I love it. I love the new color and everything. Everything looks just so clean. Don't worry about all this mess still here, because we're still not quite finished yet. There's some things that needs to still be done. We got down here a little bit clean, nice and clean here. I went back in there and scrubbed it. Not on camera, but I did get it done. So I'm loving this so far. And next we just gotta, get the counter clean and everything else there. Clean up the areas over here. And yeah, shine up the cabinets and clean, do our normal cleaning that we do. So guys, I am enjoying it so far. I hope you are too. So don't forget to click on that bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll get an alert. And let's keep watching this video. We're not done yet. So if you have any tips or any ideas that you want to suggest, leave it in the comment down below. Yeah, so let's keep watching. Hey y'all, let me tell you about this amazing cordless vacuum cleaner my husband got me for our anniversary. He knew I loved it and I wanted one so bad, and I told him I don't care which kind it is or whatever it is, but this brand is a Teneco A10-1, and it's a quick cleaning up to 25 minutes. It can clean up to 25 minutes run time, and it's quick and easy. It has a detachable handles, it's lightweight and everything. So you guys, I'm just loving it. I'm gonna put it together here. As you can see, like I said, it's very quick and very easy. Thank you to my hubby for 27 years. He listened to everything. He's just a good husband, and he listened to everything that I say, or if I keep mentioning things here and there, I'll be like, oh, I want one of these, I want to get this and that. And he's so supporting and always surprising me with different things. And he knows I'm a type of person that I'm not into expensive things or anything like that, but I do like them sometimes. But hey, if it works good just like an expensive one, then I'm fine by it anyway. I like it. So I'm gonna show you how I put it together real quick, and then next I'll show you some things to show you how it picks up easily and how it moves around easily and all that good stuff. But if you're looking for a review, I'm gonna tell you to go to my daughter's channel, which is Jazzy TV exclamation point. She will do a product review on her channel of everything. I'm just gonna show you a quick thing of it.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. Now, moving on to the drapes that I want to put up. I had these for a long time, and I just want to see how it looks with the new table that I have. So I'm going to try different options to see if I like it or not. And you guys give me your honest opinion. I used to have that cream color one up, but since the walls are a different color now, it is white supposed to be now and not longer than that light green. So I'm gonna try these curtains out different ways and just see how they go. Give me your honest review on what you think, or how should I style it if you don't agree with what I have up there now. I'm not sure, so I'm not very creative in this area, decorating like this. That's not my forte. My daughter is the one that usually does all of that, so I'm just gonna try to figure out. I'm gonna try different things, but I'm not quite sure. Again, like I said, please give me some ideas, some tips, what you think, or how should I put it up there, what color, or should I just leave it, or whatever it is. I need some help, guys. Please help me out, help a sister out. She really don't know what she is doing right about now. So I'll be waiting for your comments down below.
I am running for you if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light.
So here's what it's looking like so far. It is very wrinkled, so I'm gonna try to use this steam iron that my daughter has. If this one don't work, I'm gonna switch to another iron. Okay, again, not sure, so I'm gonna try to put these cream ones in between to see how this look.
I'll be your light.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy. If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
So, guys, to be truthfully honest, I do not like this. So you're gonna see me trying to bring new items in here to try to fix it up to see how it goes. But right now, I don't think I'm gonna go with it. But like I said, give me your best and honest opinion down below in the comment section.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
So, guys, I have totally given up on this project for tonight. It is late in the evening and I am done. I'll sleep on it and try it again in the morning. But before I go to bed, I want to show you guys how this pickup so easily and clean. I love it. It's very lightweight but powerful. I didn't even know it had a max mode on it. I just figured it out. So you can see in this images here, the next image is how it cleans up. And again, it's called Tineco, if I'm pronouncing it right, Tineco. And it is the quickest and easy cordless cleaning, vacuum cleaning, and it runs up to 25 minutes.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire.
You guys, these chair covers are excellent from IKEA. I had these over 13 years and they are very good. They're washable. Just use bleach and your laundry detergent. And again, they were over 13 years and all I did was keep washing them and put them in the dryer. So, but I am eventually going ahead and replace them. I don't know if I want to do white still or if I can find a different color, maybe like black or something like that. I'm not sure. Leave a comment down below what you think that I should do and where can I find some slip covers for this style of chairs. Okay guys, moving on to day 3. I kept smelling this foul odor and it came from the dishwasher. So my husband is taking a look to see why it keeps backing up like this. But we found out that we may need a new dishwasher. So another added expense. So we're just going to go ahead and get this cleaned up again. And I will show you guys what happened next. Okay guys, now that the chair covers is all dry, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to put them back on. Okay guys, a quick break and we are going to get ready to cook some dinner. And right now I'll be just cooking some collard greens with some air fried chicken, and we got some pinto beans as well as white rice. I may not show you guys everything, but here it is what I'm showing you now. So go ahead and tell me what you like for dinner, that you cook, the things that you cook for your family. All right, y'all, we have made it to the end of this part 1 video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it thus far. Please, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with everyone. I could not show you everything in this part 1 because the video would have been extra long, and also we still have some things that needs to be fixed. So as soon as that's done, stay tuned for part 2. Love you guys and enjoy yourself and have a blessed day.